Multiple sclerosis can be puzzling in so many ways. I think the biggest puzzle is the question, what causes it? Hey, it's Steve. I want to talk to you about something that negatively affects our MS. But in dealing with it, you can restore your myelin. So, the negative stuff first. There is an interest that maybe multiple sclerosis might possibly be caused by allergic reactions. While there is no direct link between MS and allergies, the question's out there, and I think many think it remains to this day. I know many of us with MS wonder about it. There's one thing that is definite. They have established a connection between inflammation and histamine. Histamine acts like a hormone. The immune system responds to histamine like it's an invading body. On a side note, doesn't that vaguely sound familiar? Just like how the immune system sees myelin as an invader. It's not just temporary inflammation though. It's chronic. It might be what led me to develop MS and start to relapse. This article is from 2010, titled Histamine and Histamine Receptors in Pathogenesis and Treatment of Multiple Sclerosis. 2010 is a while back, so whatever interventions they recommend probably have all been tested and exhausted. But medications might not be necessary. I know for me, I've developed two strategies. The first part, my diet focuses on fresh, non-preserved food. Any food with preservatives is high in histamine. I make all my food at home. If you watch my channel, you know how strongly I believe in protein. It fights MS head on. Meat, poultry, and fish are fantastic choices for complete protein. Just make sure they are not packaged or preserved. Frozen meat is fine as long as it doesn't have any preservatives. Most fruits and vegetables are safe from histamine. Behind protein, I incorporate half a head of romaine lettuce a day, as well as my small amount of berries in my whey protein shakes. I eat one exception to the rule. I eat half a banana that is high in histamine. So, the key for me is to limit it. And I remember it's about moderation. So little isn't terrible, and I think probably won't hurt you. I know it didn't hurt me. I think I counterbalance it by consuming a large amount of whole grains, which are naturally low in histamine. Okay, here is where I take the fight to a whole new level. I take this your average Allergy Relief antihistamine. This is 300 tablets, and if I remember right, it cost me all of $10 maybe. This next step, I take an antihistamine called Diphenhydramine every 3 days. 3 is the magic number. I've tested out different variations with different amounts, and 3 works best because taking it more often makes it lose effectiveness. But 3 is the perfect number to avoid that. So I take 50 milligrams. I've read you can take up to 100 milligrams, but I don't. I don't want to take more than I need. And 50 amplifies my sleep. And it's during that sleep. The perfect time where replacement myelin is formed. I'm interested in hearing from my community. Have you tried it? Does it help your sleep? Leave a comment and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.